All right, let's jump on into the Advertiser's Fix Finder e-commerce case study. Now, keep in mind, the Advertiser Fix Finder, the process is really pretty simple. What we're going to do is we're going to collect 4 to 10 critical KPIs from the ad account. And these KPIs are going to vary depending on what type of funnel that you have. And keep in mind, a KPI is a key performance indicator. These are going to be very specific numbers that we want to grab depending on the ad type, setup, and the funnel to make sure that we're on track. Now, what we want to take a look at is what do those KPIs look like right now? What are your baseline numbers versus historic numbers, or what I like to say, the glory days? People call us all the time and say, our ads were working 3 months ago, 6 months ago, or a year ago. Okay, specifically, let's take a look at what happened historically versus right now, and how does that compare up? Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at your current baseline KPIs, and we're going to compare that to industry averages, again, depending on your ad setup and your funnel. But we want to see, how do you rank overall? Are you on track? Are you in the red or the yellow or the green? Is it an A, B, C, D, F type of grade? And the next thing is, we're going to determine which KPI levers, what are the things that you can focus on and put in a small amount of effort for the maximum return. So many times people want to redo their ads, redo their funnel, redo the colors, redo the copy, but they only have to work on 1 or 2 things, like you're going to find out in this case study. Now, what's going to happen next is we want to predict what's about ready to happen next. This way you have a solid plan. So we're going to gather the information, we're going to take a look at the numbers, we're going to see how they compare to the industry averages, we're going to see what we can fix specifically, and then what the goal is to develop a plan so we know what's going to happen over the next 7 to, let's say, 10 or 14 days or even 30 days. So many times people don't really know what's broken, and then they're just going to keep on testing and they're going to test lots of different stuff. We want to see specifically what we can fix, again, put in a small amount of effort in. And the main thing is know exactly what's going to happen next so we can measure and inspect along the way. Again, you're going to have a solid plan here. Now, we've created different fix finders for different funnels. We've also automated, documented, and gamified on how to fix your ads and funnels quickly, all without trial and error and all the guesswork I talked about before. We also have resource links, examples, expert referrals, and more. So essentially, you have your own options. You can learn how to do it on your own, do it yourself. We have some training around that. Or we have some done for you resources and links that if you would like to have someone hold your hand to help fix your specific problem, or we also want to give you